Brand new Funnely Enough Unleashed review video 2023. I don't know if you've heard of Funnely Enough or not, but it is a system that was put together by a guy named AJ and Mark. They had this system out a couple of years ago. I did join it, but they were using Builderall and Warrior Plus as their platforms to, for the affiliate sales and as far as setting up the funnel. But now they have revamped it and they are using System Hubs and Explodely, for the system now. So I like the new system, and I like the fact that you don't have to use Builderall. And Warrior Plus was okay with me. They just decided to set it up on another platform as far as getting your affiliate commissions through a system called Explodely. Okay, so seems to work pretty well. A lot of marketers are starting to use that platform now. Anyway, so what is Funnely Enough? Funnely Enough is a free sales machine that you can get access to now. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through the process and let you know everything that you're going to get. But this is the simple bridge page. The actual sales page, video sales page, and it's like a 3-step to real autopilot results. Get your link, 1-click download funnel, make sales. We make it seem that easy, or they make it seem that easy, but we know there are some things you're going to have to do. You got to get it set up and everything, and then you have to run traffic to it. But it is free to actually join, but they're going to hit you with some upsells along the way in the process, and I'm going to show you them as well. They have some real live reviews here, videos here. I actually know Max myself. I don't know any of the other people. So a couple of other videos on here that you can watch. This is AJ Simon and Mark Hairston. Okay, these are the two creators of the system. Another video, join us today, and these are the bonuses that you're going to get. Over 4,491 bonuses done for you. High converting sales funnel, complete step-by-step video training setup, private exclusive Facebook group, top secret affiliate Facebook training, and access to your high converting exclusive traffic to send to your funnel and start making sales. Okay, so those are the bonuses, and this is what you're going to get immediately access to. So once you click out either one of the buttons that's on this page, and we're going to go through this process. So it's going to take you to, this is the first upsell, okay, or sale in the process. Now I like the way they did this, and I'm going to show you what it means. But you watch this short video and the Sales Booster Pro training. Okay, so you can get access to that added to the order. Okay, during the process of setting everything up. Okay, you can just click no thanks and move on to the next step. Okay, we can look at this page right here. You'll see what you get. You can click move to the next step. No, so now you're going to get done for you email profit results 30 times faster. So you're going to get done for you high converting emails to turn your leads into paying customers. This is $17. Okay, one time. You can say no thanks, read the information on the page, all of that good stuff right here, and just go down through here and read all of that. If you want to write your own emails, then you can do that. If you don't, then you get these and that you can just copy paste into your autoresponder. So we're going to go no thanks. Final Profits Pro, you can get 100% commissions, and you earn 100% commission throughout this whole entire funnel for either $97 a month, okay, or $497 one time, okay, saving you 57% off, okay, for funnel profit. Okay, so if you want to earn 100% commission, you can do that by paying $97 a month, and you would earn the 100% commission, the $7 commission that we earn, and the $17 commission that we earn, 100% all yours. Okay, other than that, we earn 50% commissions through the process. Okay, so you can go down through here and you can read all the testimonial, look at the testimonial videos, make up your mind what you want to do on that. That's highly if you want to earn the, the 50% commission. There's no thanks, just click no thanks. Okay, limited list traffic, $67 one time. Okay, learn how to dominate free and paid methods for limited list traffic from Facebook, Google, YouTube in this detailed course for only $67. The value is really $997. Okay, so you get that. Now, after you go through that process, you're going to go through that, and this is another one you earn $67 100% commission if you choose to go that route, or 50% commissions as well. No thanks. And then they're going to get VIP chat, $37 per month. You can watch that video if you want that. See, we're going to go no thanks. And then this is the last step. Okay, this is the last step. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go to step 1, watch the video, click here to get your account, and I'm going to take you inside of the account, and then you can register for a case study by Dan here. Okay, that's your choice. Okay, so inside, once you click here and create your account, you're going to come inside Funnely Enough back office, and they have 5 steps set up here. Okay, they have the welcome video. Okay, you can join the Facebook group. The second video is where you're going to get your affiliate link, okay, with Explodely, and you're going to put your username down here in the bottom and save it, and now you're all set up right there. They just put this long link in where you can put your affiliate ID there, but watch this video here. Step number 3 is what I was talking about. Now they're going to take you back through the process that you came through, or you can go back and look at those upgrades again, the $7, the $17, the $67, the $97 per month, or $497 one time. Okay, you can go back and look at those things again here, giving people another opportunity to upgrade. Okay, so you got all of that right there. You watch this 10-minute video. You connect your autoresponder. This is going to tell you how to connect your autoresponder. Right now, it's just Aweber, Get Response, and Active Campaign. Okay. What I'm pretty sure of is that these are their affiliate links. Okay. So I'm not sure if we're not able to put in our affiliate links here on that. So that may be something they'll change later on. I'm not sure. And then finally, traffic. It talks about traffic, and they have the traffic that they want you to use, or you can use, or if you have your own traffic source, you can use your traffic source. But they recommend Lead Hero and Done For You Google clicks here. Okay, so now let's go back over. This is the actual getting started. So you're going to have special offers here and a free affiliate masterclass, get traffic. They recommend Leads Hero, Done For You Google clicks. Those are there. Once again, their affiliate links. We're not able, that I know of, to put in our affiliate links there. So, understanding that it is their system. So, and if they're giving away 100% commissions on everything else, then, it's only right that they can, earn on the traffic here. But, that's up to them, and it's there. So we just roll with it. You can look at your referrals here and things of that nature. You can look at your funnels here, the funnel that they give you the actual funnel that you need to use, okay, that they recommend that you use, and I recommend that you use what they give you, because it's going to simplify everything for you without you having to try to set up a funnel. Training, you're going to get free Facebook lead generation training, how to find other profitable sales funnels to promote to your list, okay. All of this right here is just different training. If I click on that, it's going to take you here, okay, to that. You can go back, then you can look at this one right here, just other trainings, okay, for finding profitable sales funnels, okay. Then also they have a leaderboards here. If we go back to, let's say, special offers again, if we click on that, it'll open up in a new tab, okay, here. I'm just going to close that out. Then we're going to go to get traffic. We can look at the traffic here, which is Lead Hero for one of them, and Done For You Google clicks here is another one. So all of this is here. They have the leaderboards here, the settings. You can do your settings, okay, set up your information here. Integrations. Right now you can integrate with Aweber, Active Campaign, and Get Response. I have my Get Response in here is set up, okay, and things of that nature. And so I got to go back through here and redo all of this right here, because what I did, I set up my own capture page within the funnel builder that I'm using, in order. So that's why you don't see any of my leads or contacts back there. But I need to go through here and figure out all of this right here. Okay, so because they didn't have all of this when I set it up last week sometime. Okay, so go back. That's pretty much it. So if you want to get access to it, you go ahead, you click the link in the description below and get Funnely Enough. I believe it's friendly enough for brand new people who are looking to get a system up and going and ready to rock and roll. And before we leave, let me show you the Facebook group. This is the actual Facebook group that you will be a part of here. Okay. Just come down through here and get access and start asking questions or anything else that you need to get started. So go ahead and check it out. They got some very important information. I need to read this right here. But, it's a good little free affiliate program. I'm in the process of creating my own system. There are a lot of systems out there, but I'm creating my own system built around specific, programs that I want to promote. But if you're looking to get a system right now, I want go ahead and click the link in the description and get started with Funnely Enough. I actually believe, AJ and Hairston, I bought traffic from Mark before in the past, so I know his traffic is good. Okay. And I've spoken with him before as well. So, go ahead on, click the link in the description. Let me take you back to the page, because once you click the link in the description, you're going to come to my opt-in page. Go ahead and opt in. It's going to take you straight. It's going to take you straight to this page right here where you can watch the video. It's only 5 minutes long. Go ahead on and get started. Once you get started, just let me know you joined. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad to help you. And I can show you some of the traffic sources that I'm using as well, other than, along with the traffic sources that they are providing. So like this video, give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.